Hello, readers, and thanks for joining me as we start another phonics series. This week, we're going to be looking at final stable syllables. And there's several we could look at, but the three we're going to look at this week are tion, sion, and le. And each one of those has its own unique kind of rule on that. And a final stable syllable is an ending syllable. Now, I think I said syllable. That means we're dealing with multi-syllabic words. And it has its own combination of letters that makes the same sound whenever it is used. Now, as we get started, I want to make sure we go ahead and practice those. So if you'll get out your pencil and paper or dry erase board and marker, we are going to practice writing them. And as we write them, we are going to say the sound it makes. So let's start with tion. Let's write it 3 times, and each time we write it, let's make the sound it makes. Are you ready? Let's get started. Tion, shun. Tion, shun. And tion, shun again, like the word motion. Now we're also going to write one for sion. That's our other one. Let's write that 3 times. sion, shun. sion, shun. sion, shun again. And this would be the word like the word vision. And last was le, and let's go ahead and write that. And le says ol. Can you say ol? Like turtle. So let's go ahead and write that. Ol. 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 Now the reason we practice writing those is because it helps stick those, the way it looks, it helps stick that sound to your brain, and that's what we want to happen. Now, you know that we always tap out sounds pretty often, and I do want to point out that these two in particular, tion and sion, both make multiple sounds, but when we see it all together, it always says shun. In our video this week, I'm going to keep that together because it's a final stable syllable. So shun and shun would both have the sh sound, which can be spelled ti or si, which has the schwa on both those as well. So I want you to be aware when you see it as a whole, and we are aware that it makes more than one sound, but because we're dealing with it as a syllable, I wanted to keep it together. Are you ready? Let's get started. There's going to be some big words at the end. I hope you're ready. Sound, ah. Sound, k. Put that together. Shun. It's a different syllable. Shun, action. He took action when he heard the bell. Sound, Sound, oh. Put that together. First syllable, motion. Motion. If something is moving, it's in motion. Sound, v. Sound, I. Put that together. Vision. Vision. If you can see, you have vision. Sound, t. Sound, I. Put that together. Tin. Put that together. Tension. Tension. If somebody gets kind of stressed out, they say they have a lot of tension. Sound. T. Sound. Put that together. Turt. Put that together. Turtle. Turtle. We know what a turtle is. Sound. P. Sound. Put that together. Perp. Put that together. Perp. Purple. and we all know the color purple. Let's go over some sounds, some blends, some digraphs, some different vowel teams that we've learned this year. Read these with me, please. Cool, sn, sh, r, sw, w, ing, or, I, a, I, Now, are you ready for some silent blending? Now, keep in mind, these are all multi-syllabic words, and they're all going to have these final stable syllables. Some of them might be new words for you. See if you can figure it out. Eruption, collision, buckle, question, illusion, fiddle, option, invasion, crumble, location, diversion, tangle. That's our last word. How'd you do on those bigger words, multisyllabic words? I'm sure you did great. You've been getting better all year, and it's wonderful to see. Until next time, happy reading.